A6 on the wheelchair ramp. Ran into some issues yesterday. I did get two 4x4 posts anchored to the ground and two 2x6 stringers in, and realized that the 5-inch bolts that I had are not long enough. So I had to go this morning and get 8-inch bolts to go through 4x4 and two 2x6s. So we have that taken care of. It also rained on me all day yesterday. If you watched the previous video, you'll see that it's raining and I'm out here putting the 4x4 posts in the ground. So yesterday didn't get a whole lot done. Don't expect to get a lot done today. I'm not going to work a full day today. But I would like to get 2 more posts in the ground and possibly two 2x6 stringers, maybe the center stringer in also. And I'm pushing it. I would like to get some cross bracing in also, but I'm not going to get that done today. So, got a lot to do. Let's get to it. If you liked the video, consider subscribing. Just push the subscribe button, and if you hit the little bell icon there, you'll be notified when I have new content. And that's going to about do it for this episode. Remember, they may do it another way, but that's the way I do it. We'll see you next time.